by M. Roberts. The woodpecker pecked out a little round hole, made him a house in the telephone book. One day, when I watched, he poked out his head. He had on a hood and a color of red. When the streams of rain pour out of the sky, and the sparkles of lightning go flashing by, and the big, big waves of thunder roll, he can snuggle back in the telephone pole.